nothing to it. Let's try a good old-fashioned wingman formation. Toothless and I are going to slow down and play the part of Windshear's wingman. We're here for cover. If anything comes up beside or behind you. Hey. Not bad at all. All right, your turn. You and Windshear take our wing.